Welcome back. Seems like the Goan border at the Pole checkpost is unsafe. There is no security nor any CCTV cameras to keep a check on any eventuality. People have alleged that the CCTVs are dismantled to conduct illegal activities. Goa is on a terror radar, but there is no security force at the border. Bhabesh Borkar reports.
गोंय हे पर्यटन दृश्ट्या अख्खे जगभर प्रसिद्ध आसा. जेन्ना गोंयच्या सुरक्षते बद्दल आमी जेन्ना विचार करता तेन्ना आज आमी आसात ते गोंय आनी कर्नाटक ह्या गेटीर आसा, ह्या बॉर्डरीर गोंयांत एंट्री जावपा खातीर हो एकमेव मार्ग आसा. जेन्ना आमी पळयलें जेन्ना गेट सदांच उगडी आसता थंय ज्या तरेन देखरेख दवरपा जाय, लोकल पुलीस म्हणा, एक्सायज म्हणा, RTO म्हणा, तेजी जाय तशी देखरेख आसना. कांय वर्सां पयलीं जे CCTV कॅमेरा लायल्ले वॉच दवरपा खातीर खंयची गाडी येता वयता, पूण कितलेशे म्हयने जाले आमी पळयल्या हे कॅमेराची डिस्कनेक्ट केल्ल्या. एक कॅमेरा वयर आकाशात दाखयता, तर दुसरो कॅमेरा पाताळात दाखयता, तिसरो कॅमेरा तो भायर लायल्लो आसा. हे कॅमेरा कनेक्टेड ना. कोण येता कोण वयता हेजी नोंद खंयच ना. हे कॅमेरा सारके करचे अशी वारंवार हांगची थळाव्या लोकांची मागणी आसा.
Yes, this is the Pole checkpost in Karnakona. Have a look at the broken CCTVs. Since long, the CCTVs are left neglected. Also, there is no thorough check by the security officials.
CCTV कॅमेरा मुद्दम बंद केला अशें दिसता म्हाका. कारण कित्याक CCTV कॅमेराचेर हें केल्यार तांकां जोडूंक मेळना न्ही.
तेका लागून बंद केला
मुद्दम बंद केले, मुद्दम तोडले आसतले. नाजाल्यार ते CCTV कॅमेरा ज्या दिसाक तुट्टा ते दुसरे दीस अर्जंट ते रिपेर करूंक जाय आशिल्ले. खरेंच जर सेक्युरिटीचे मनाक जर खरेंच चॅकअप करपाचें आनी गव्हर्मेंटाच्या मनाक जर अशें मागीर हितून गव्हर्मेंटूय बी सामील आसता अशें आतां सामान्य लोक म्हणपाक लागल्यात. बॉर्डर जर सुरक्षीत उरली जाल्यार आमी गोंय सुरक्षीत उरतले. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर हांव काणकोणच्यान बबेश.
And now news from sports. Bhkati Kulkarni had satisfied all the norms required to be crowned Women Grandmaster over a year back. However, due to a few technicalities, Bhakti's WGM title was kept in abeyance by FIDE. But Bhakti is overjoyed now that she has received the WGM title a few days back. Now Bhakti has set her sights on the Commonwealth Chess Championship set to begin in November end. Bhakti was the chief guest at Mushtifun's Rapid Open Chess Tournament.
Over 184 participants took part enthusiastically in the Rapid Open Chess Tournament. This is the second edition of the late Gopal Suktankar Memorial Tournament and has been organized by the Mushtifund High School's Parent Teacher Association. Entrepreneur Gaurish Dhond was the chief guest along with the newly crowned WGM Bhkati Kulkarni, and the duo inaugurated the event in the presence of Mushtifund High School's PTA members. Later, Bhakti and Dhond flagged off the tournament. Prudent caught up with Goa's first ever WGM.
Do you feel happy, monkey off your back?
Yeah, very happy. I'm very happy to be the first Goa's WGM and also my coach's first student to be WGM.
What was going through your mind all this time? Because over a year back you were given this title, but FIDE took some time to recognize it. What was going through your mind? Were you disheartened?
Actually, when I won Asian Junior, I was very happy because I thought it's the last third norm, so I'll get it very soon. But then I came to know there was some technical problem and the arbiter didn't issue me the certificates. So I said, my coach also said it's fine, they'll give you the title as soon as possible. So don't get distracted with that issue and just concentrate on the game and tournament and just play well.
It is but natural Bhakti was disheartened, but how did she keep her concentration?
Okay, I was very confident I'm going to get the title just maybe after 6 months. So I just concentrated on my game. I used to take online coaching class from my coach. I managed to do that.
Where do you go from here now? With this title on your back, it's an added burden you feel, or it's something that can motivate you to get a higher title?
Yeah, of course, the motivation. And I'll be more confident after getting this title, and I'll be playing with more responsibility.
You've come here as a guest of honor to inaugurate a tournament. Takes you back some years back, because you started off as a youngster like this. You must be remembering yourself.
Yeah, when I used to be, I was 5 years old. I used to go for all local tournaments with my dad. We both used to participate in local tournaments, and it was very nice memory. I remember all those old days.
Bhakti's next goal is the Commonwealth Chess Championship.
Yeah, I'm concentrating mainly on the Commonwealth Chess Championship. It will be in November end, and it's taking place at Chennai. So I'm targeting that only.
And if you do well there, will your norm improve or will your rating improve?
Yeah, my rating improve and I'm trying to get norm there. And also the medal, Commonwealth medal.
And what's your next target after becoming the WGM? What's your next target?
To get under 20 Commonwealth gold medal and get selected in top 6 in women's 8.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Demdra Gaonkar.
St. Xavier's College's girls team will clash against Carmel's College in the women's finals of the Varsity Football Championship. St. Xavier's defeated Government College Kepe in the semi-finals, whereas in the second semi-final, Carmel College Nuwe defeated Rosary College Naveli 2-1. Monday morning will see the St. Xavier's girls take on the Carmel's girls in the finals.
In the first semi-final of the day, St. Xavier's defeated Government College Kepe by 2 goals. Malvita Mascarenas scored in the 6th minute, while Cheryl De Mello increased the tally in the 13th minute for St. Xavier's College Mapsa. In the second semi-finals, Carmel College Nuwe defeated Rosary College Naveli 2-1. Marila Xavier opened the scoring for Carmel's in the second minute itself, but Rosary's Agima Rodriguez levelled the score 2 minutes later. Carmel's Valerie Carvalho made it 2-1 in the 28th minute. Rosary tried hard to score till the end of the match, but they could not make most of their chances they had. Here are a few highlights of the semi-final clash between Carmel's College and Rosary Naveli. On Monday, the St. Xavier girls will take on Carmel's College in the finals of the University Football Championship. With video journalist Prajot Pednekar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Talegaon.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.